Ever scrolled past jaw-dropping AI art and thought, there's no way I could make that? Well, now you can. In this NightCafe Studio tutorial, we're showing you exactly how to use the NightCafe Studio AI Art Generator, the free text-to-image AI that helps total beginners create stunning artwork in minutes. This is AppSolute, the #1 channel for digital creators and solopreneurs who want to work faster, create better, and stress less using the latest AI tools, apps, and software. Tap subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's get started. What is NightCafe Studio? NightCafe Studio is a free AI art generator that turns your words into images using models like Stable Diffusion, Flux, DALL-E, and a host of others. While tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney cater to pros, NightCafe is built for beginners, especially if you've never designed anything before. No Photoshop, no design degree. Just type, click, create. Why use NightCafe? If you want fast, high-quality results without a learning curve, NightCafe is one of the best AI art generators for you. It's beginner-friendly, totally free to start, and takes less than 3 minutes from prompt to polished image. Let's break it down step by step. How to use NightCafe Studio AI Art Generator. Step 1. Sign up. Go to creator.nightcafe.studio and sign up using Google, Facebook, or email. You'll get 5 free credits daily, which is more than enough to start creating. Step 2. Write your prompt. This is where the magic begins. Let's say you're making content for an Instagram post that has to do with working as a freelancer, for example. You could use NightCafe to generate images for graphics. Try something like this. NightCafe's text-to-image AI works best with detailed prompts, so don't be shy. Describe what you want clearly and creatively. Step 3. Choose a model and adjust the settings. There are a handful of models you can use with NightCafe Studio, each one trained differently for specific kinds of outputs. Some models cost more credits to use, while others are free, though they might come with a few limits. Once you've chosen a model, you can tweak other settings too. Things like negative prompts, the number of images you want to generate, how long it runs, the aspect ratio, and more. Feel free to play around with the values. Mix things up and see what gives you the best results. Step 4. Generate and review. Take a final look at your settings. Make sure everything feels right, then hit create. In under a minute, we get this stunning image. Honestly, it just needs a tiny touch-up to pass for an Instagram post. Less time spent, less effort. Pro tips for better AI art. 1. Different models let you access different settings. 2. Use prompt boosters like vibrant, high resolution, realistic, cinematic to enhance quality. 3. Remember to claim credits daily as you interact with the platform. 4. Share your creations. Tag NightCafe Studio on socials to earn bonus credits, get feedback, and connect with the growing NightCafe AI art community. With NightCafe Studio, you can go from zero to pro-level visuals for your posts, projects, or personal brand, all without design skills or paid software. Ready to start? Click the link in the description and create your first AI masterpiece today. Tell us about your creations in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly tools that power up your creativity with AI. Until next time, this is AppSolute, helping you work smarter, not harder.